你好，我是圣贤 Anita.
Hi, I'm Pauline from Wayne State University. So, congratulations on having a baby. When is your due date?
Around the beginning of August.
Awesome. So, are you and Lee excited?
Yes, very excited.
Have you gained a lot of weight?
Around 40 pounds. I can't stop eating.
What does Lee say?
他爱屋及乌. Do you understand?
Yeah, I think I've heard this before. So, Wu means both house and crow. So, you're saying he loves house and crow.
Exactly. If he loves the house, he has to love the crow that comes with it.
Okay, so like saying someone loves you in spite of your flaws. Like saying he loves you warts and all.
Okay.
So, tell us how to say he loves house and crow in Chinese.
他爱屋及乌. 他爱屋及乌.
Now you try it.
Oh my gosh, what happened to your hand?
They're warts. I've been putting medicine on them all week.
Has Alex seen them?
Yeah, he still loves me, warts and all. Or he loves house and crow.
Yes. 他爱屋及乌.
Well, that's all for today.
Like us on Facebook.
And subscribe to us on YouTube and Yoku.
再见。